because YouTube is changing its platform to where they want people to watch content of all types on YouTube. If you only learn one thing about YouTube in this video, it's this. YouTube wants to completely dominate all of social media in every single capacity with no competitors. They want to destroy everything. That's what YouTube's trying to accomplish. They did a separate app for gaming. They rolled it back into YouTube. They had Google Music, Google Play Music. They rolled that back into YouTube. They tried Google Plus and integrating that with YouTube. They got rid of that and they just kept it on YouTube. And so Google realizes YouTube is everything. YouTube is their entire future when it comes to social media, and they want every single type of content that human beings will ever consume to be on YouTube, and for YouTube to be the #1 platform where people consume it. And so what I mean by that is they want super long form content with live streams. They literally have TV on YouTube now. They now have shorts, they have stories, they have community tab with images, they have polls, they have GIFs. They're probably gonna add audio only spaces coming up soon. You can put cards on there, you can put end cards, you can put text in your description, you can engage with people in the comments. You can do, they've got VR, they've got 360 video, they've got up to 4K. Every type of entertainment that is ever going to exist for humankind, Google is going to put that on YouTube. And so the point of that is, the more that you can diversify the type of content you're posting on YouTube, the more that you guys can succeed. YouTube is the ultra platform. It is the ultimate platform where you can basically, at this point, do damn near anything you want on a separate channel on YouTube, and YouTube is going to try to support that type of content and make it successful. You could post anything from images to GIFs, to short videos, to long videos, to live streams, you name it. YouTube has an opportunity for you to post that type of content and grow. So that's why I'm continually talking about a multiple YouTube channel strategy as being the epic in-game YouTube strategy, because YouTube wants a separate channel for each type of content, and they will support a separate channel for each type of content. You can make a short form YouTube channel, a medium form YouTube channel, a long form YouTube channel. You can do a live YouTube channel, and who knows, the content formats of the future, you can make separate channels for those as well. YouTube can support that with their algorithm, with their platform. That is their long-term strategy. So are you coming along with the biggest ultra platform for content creators? This video, this episode yet again proves that that is the case. And being diversified in the number of destinations that you're posting on is the strategy that we're constantly talking about. And that's our sponsor on the show. And Ross, can you tell them what they've won?
Yes, you've won a free code to get 30% off of your first month of Restream.io. One of the best prizes we're ever going to give away here. You don't need to focus on one platform. Focus on all of them. Broadcast to YouTube, broadcast to Facebook, broadcast to Twitter, like we are. DLive, Trovo. Hey, Parent, we actually saw earlier that DLive saw a nice little boost in 2021. I'm sure we're going to hit on that when the Streamlabs report comes out. But by doing this, it allows you to grow on every chat, on every platform. So in case one of them bites the dust, you're not stuck looking for a new home and having to start completely over.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.